I have those days where there's barely anything in the fridge, and what's in the fridge is basically almost gone off. Well, that was me today, so I decided to make a Nigerian style Spanish omelette. So what did I have in my fridge? I had one sweet potato, which I'm frying down now, which I've thinly sliced. I had an onion, shallots, some green peppers, scotch bonnet, one bell pepper, which was actually still quite fresh, but the tomatoes, on the other hand, they were on their last legs. I fried all of this up with 6 eggs. Make sure you season with some salt. And I chopped up some spring onions and parsley for garnish. Once all my vegetables had been fully fried and softened, I added the eggs. And I ensured I cooked the eggs until there was no liquid left in the pan, or until the eggs were very dry and rather than runny. So what do you cook up when you don't have much in the fridge, but you don't want what's in the fridge to go off? My go-to is definitely eggs, and I paired this with plantain.